Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be drafting a basic sleeve pattern. So guys, let's get started. So first thing you want to do is to fold your pattern paper into two. If you're cutting directly on your fabric, fold your fabric into two, okay? So I'm going to go ahead right now and I'm folding my fabric into two. Next thing you want to do right now after folding your fabric is to start on drafting. I'm going to be using the edge as my starting line, and I'm going to mark out the length of my sleeves. So the length of my sleeves is 10 inches, and I'm going to mark that out and I'll roll it out. Next thing I want to do is to come to my starting line and mark out 3 inches. Mark out 3 inches and roll that line out. So if you want your curve to be deeper, you can come down by 4 inches, but I'm coming down by 3 inches because that is what I prefer. Next thing, you're going to come in by 3.5 inches. This is going to help in curving out your sleeve. Next thing, from that 3.5 inches, I'm going to use my curved ruler to curve that into the tip of my sleeves. Okay, the starting line, I'm going to curve that to meet the tip. Next thing, from the 3 inches I marked, I'm going to come down by 1 inch. From that 3-inch line, come down by 1 inch, and we're going to curve this to meet that 3.5 inches line, just as you see me doing. Okay, so follow what I did carefully. Okay, next thing you want to do is to place your measurements. And I'm placing my measurements. I've taken the length at 10 inches, and then my arm measurement is 11 divided by 2 gives me 5.5. Mark that out, and then measure the fullest part of your arm that is close to your armhole area, and I'm going to mark that mine is 12 inches, and divided by 2 gives me 6 inches, and I'm going to connect the two lines together. So after doing this, I'm going to be adding my allowance. Please ensure to add allowance. I'm using 2 inches for allowance. You can use more than that, but please ensure to add allowance. And I'm going to connect my allowance line together. So guys, I'm just going to label out my allowances so it is clear. So this is my allowance, and the lower part is also going to serve as my hemming allowance. You could hem that or close it up with a lining, whichever way you prefer. And this is a short sleeve. It's a short basic sleeve. Okay, next thing I'm going to do right now is to extend my lines. I'm going to be extending my lines in order to help me cut it out. Okay, so just extend your lines, and then you can go ahead and cut it out. So I'm just going to cut mine now, and I'm going to cut that all around. Okay, so you're going to cut on the allowance line. Okay, so guys, this is what we have after cutting out. And when you open up your sleeve, you ought to have something like this. Okay, so this is a basic sleeve pattern, and thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you try this out, and I really hope that this video is explanatory. Thank you so much guys. Bye.